All right, so we have taken a look at the Analytics tab and the Services tab, and now we're on the Moments tab again as it relates to the admin platform. If you're ever wanting to shift, I haven't said this yet, but I'm sure you know, if you're ever wanting to shift between being a host and being an admin, you just click on that. No big deal. Okay, so now we're looking at the moments. I'm not gonna show the video in the moments deal. I'll let you do that on your own time, but it will kind of just teach an overview of what you have, what you do here. So it's actually pretty easy to do. So I won't spend a lot of time because the video does a great job. I will just share with you. This is how we have things set up right here currently. Sometimes I'll mess around with this language. You can see a little lock here on salvation. We're not allowed to mess with that because that's something that's static across all of the Church Online platform. And they do that because they want to collect data on how many salvations there are. It's, helps their brand. It helps them be able to promote the power of what it is they do. I get that. But they do allow us to customize our own. Okay, so if you were going to go in and add a moment, again, you can do this on your own, with the video, or you can learn about that. But right now, they have what's called a call to action. And so these are powerful where they're going to give like little headers that say connect, give, invite. Again, that's what you're seeing. This is simply, again, you'll share a link like a Connect card, a digital Connect card, an XGS card, I'm sorry, maybe we're doing something special and PG wants to do a survey. You can say, take the survey here and that sort of deal. Or even, with our groups button and stuff like that. Giving, we'll go again to our giving platform, our online deal. I showed that in a different video. You would just connect those. And the invite is, again, you can change the language on how you want it to be presented. But essentially all that is it creates a text link where you can share that out. Actually, where you can share it out on Facebook, Instagram, or through text. Now, the quote one is one we've used a couple of times. But this one takes a little bit more planning, a little bit more of a look ahead. May not be as available for the 9 a.m., but if we can get a team on it, the 11 a.m. and any of the rest of the services throughout the week would be able to enjoy this feature. And so what happens when you do this is if there is a powerful quote that PG says in his message, or if it comes up in his notes, if it's in his notes and he's going to say it, what you can do is, again, a lot more of this after watching the video the first time. You could simply say, let me pull a PGism. So you can do that and then do the attribution. That just means who said it. And you can put, for these, just so you know in the future, we're just going to put Pastor George, but you can see what that looks like in there. What's cool about it is you see this feature is this will allow, one, you can heart it. So that's another way to get people to engage. But they would just say if they heart it, they're saying that they like it. And this button right here will allow them to share it. Now, this is actually a cool feature. So I'm hoping within the next month, maybe in our fall series, we can bring this back. Again, it's going to take chat hosts to be there. But although you can automate the time on when these come out. For example, again, if we know at 43 minutes and 12 seconds into the service, PG says, float like a butterfly, sting like a bee, then we can actually automate that. Now, I will say we don't really want to use this. I'm using this as a little bit of a joke, a little tongue-in-cheek. We're not really wanting to pull on PG-isms for that. But if there's a powerful quote, maybe not necessarily a verse because those will be in the notes, but if there's something that he says that really is provocative and really connects, this is where you would put that. And we don't want to abuse this. There really should be no more than 4 or 5 of these in every service. We don't want to abuse it. But what's cool is, again, people can text that or tweet that out or Facebook that out. And what's cool is when people tap on the link, it will send them to Church Online. So it's just kind of a cool feature. But I'm going to cancel that so that people don't see it. But anyways, that's how you add in moments. So just wanted you to see it. And next we'll talk about users. I'll walk you through a little bit of that.